lahat tayo sa trial.
Then take on this themed trial. You first need to light up the entire NPC gallery in the out-of-match event to obtain the exclusive party key. Bring the key with you on a 4-player ranked match. Special party crates will appear on the map. Use the key to open the mailbox and obtain a party invitation. However, be careful, as once you do, your location will be exposed to all players. Don't lose to any players coming after your invitation. Drop the party invite off at the party post box to successfully deliver it. Go on to lead your team to chicken dinner and ultimate victory. After completing all the challenges, you'll unlock exclusive victory poses and special achievements. This thrilling trial awaits your challenge.